This Ugandan tried to kill my sister on December 10th, 2005. When he found out she was pregnant, he threw her against his bedroom door. He abused her, slapped her, kicked her, tried to make her have a miscarriage. She tried to defend herself. She called the police. She was told if anything happens, this man could be deported. They tried to discourage her, told her to drop it. She insisted on something happened because she's pregnant. She didn't do anything to this man, a man she dated, whom he told her when he found out she was pregnant he had a wife and children in Africa. This Ugandan tried to kill my sister and the baby when she was pregnant. And then when he was summoned to come to court 9 months later without doing anything for the baby and was in Africa when the baby was born, he offered Judge Michael D. Gooley $1,000 to take the baby to Africa and said if the baby is kidnapped, the court can keep the money. Judge Michael Gooley said, so receive. This is a picture of my sister before she went to jail, which was May 14, 2007. Because she was scared to give Matthew Sabaliba her address, the judge said give it to him anyway or your baby's going to foster care. It's a long story, you all. My sister's in jail and her baby is the bail. Her health is failing. The judge put a warrant out for my sister's son. Matthew Sabaliba is trying to take this baby to Africa and give it to his mother and or wife. My sister has no criminal record, no drug and alcohol issues, no history of drug and alcohol usage. Her parental rights have not been terminated. She's been a good mother. She also has a 7-year-old daughter. Time magazine did an article, time.com, on my sister, a 2-part article. When motherhood gets you jail time. I want you all to know my sister had the baby without medication, without this man being around. He was in Africa when she went into labor. She had 2 stillborn children years before that, and she named this son after the son she lost. I was there. The first word she said when she had the baby was, "Jesse, don't leave me again." April Griffin was told to name the father of her child so that the state may be reimbursed for medical costs. She tried to comply. Instead, she came to court, single mother poor, trying to oblige, and was told her baby was going to this man because why? Because he wanted to take this baby to Africa. My sister sits in jail over 6 months without a hearing, a bail, a charge. Judge Michael Gooley told April he's going to treat her like an Iraqi prisoner. He did not care if her breast milk ran dry, and it has run dry. Her health is failing. She's being denied medical care. Blood sugar levels at 42, very dangerous. April has 1 kidney, and that kidney is failing. The judge said he was holding her in contempt because she failed to give her address, which was a lie. And if that was the case, 4 days after she was arrested, they had her address. There's a copy of an email between the judge's staff and the sheriff and everyone, they had her address 4 days after she got arrested. The highlighted part shows that the court said the petitioner is held in contempt for failure to give her address, which is not even a crime. It's not mandated by any city ordinance, any state statute, or federal code. Can you please help my sister, America? Oprah, Ellen, Tom Joyner, CNN, Tavis Smiley. I want to thank Reverend Al Sharpton because he allowed me to be on his radio show and he paid attention right away, and hopefully he can facilitate freeing my sister or assist in facilitating because she's being held a hostage. She's a very good mother. She's done nothing wrong. Her baby was sold in court. They changed her baby name over 4 times. Can somebody please help my sister? You can go to freeaprilgriffin@yahoo.com. Anything you can tell me or help. Can Congress help free her? Can there be an investigation done on this illegal activities by Judge Michael D. Gooley in the Milwaukee County Circuit Court? Slavery. Injustice. No, her name isn't Brittany. That shouldn't matter. No, she's not a rich and famous. She's poor and infamous. She's a good person. She's a great person. We love her. She has children who need their mother. She was put in jail, and her infant son was denied a mother. Her 7-year-old daughter was denied a mother for no reason. Matthew Sabaliba walks around. He's not even an American citizen, laughing. He's going to the jail telling her he's going to take her daughter, even though he's not the father of her daughter. Goes to the jail and harasses her. And this being allowed. Doctors have written given medical proof about April's surgeries and how this man was nowhere to be found during all the surgeries and the hospital visits and what have you. They were never ever married. According to the law, if we're under the law, children born out of wedlock, unmarried mothers are the legal guardians of their children. Please, 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 somebody, anybody, please help my sister. She's a mama in jail and her baby is the bail. Please help us free April Griffin. Thank you.